the topic that you give, the worship of eating, Surah Al-Ma'idah, Surah number 5, verse number 88. But I think the topic should be modified to make sure that it is more attractive in line with the verse of the Quran. In order to do so, I would like to modify the topic according to what has been said in your research discussion. One of the point that you mentioned, eating halal and tayyiban product as an actions of worship. So that one, that the topic like that is better. In light of Surah Al-Ma'idah, Surah 5 and 88, that one is better, right? So again, I would like to say what we call eating halal and tayyiban product, or consuming halal and tayyiban product as an act of worship in light of Surah Al-Ma'idah, and then in the brackets maybe you can put 5 to .88, something like that. Okay.